Hello guys and welcome back to Digital School. So in this video, we're going to talk about top 7 applications from Google to earn money online. Even for a businessman to scale up his business and even to any online user. So my name is Ayush and let's begin to the video. So number 1 is going to be Google My Business for your. Now many a times you have used Google My Business whenever you search any shop on Google. Just like if I search stationery shop near me. Now, how Google knows about the stationery shop located in my area? As the stationery shop has signed in with Google My Business, Google shows that stationery shop on Google Maps as well as anyone can contact to that shop. Now, just like I search on Google, stationery shop, I got that shop. I can even contact that shop. I can check the ratings of that shop. I can see the website and everything about it. So Google My Business will help your business to go online. Yes, Google My Business is a paid service, but it is actually going to help to your business to scale online. Google My Business is actually helpful for restaurants, shops and everything. So now let's move on to the second one, and it is going to be Blogger. Now maximum of you know Blogger. Blogging is such like we make a website, we post articles, and when Google AdSense is approved on a website, ads run. When Google AdSense is approved on a blog, ads are going to run on our website, and according to that we get our money. So I have even covered about Blogger on my YouTube channel. You can check it on the I button or even in the description of this video. So Blogger is very helpful for any online user. Now let's move on to the third one. Now the third one is going to be Google Admob. Now whenever you download any games, any app from, ads are running on that apps. So how that ads run? Google Admob is approved on that applications. So if you are trying to make any app in future, Google Admob is definitely useful for you. So now let's move on to the fourth one, and this is YouTube. YouTube is more famous for video creators, as 90% of video creators post their videos on YouTube to earn money online. As when your channel is monetized, you can earn money from YouTube, you can take sponsorships on YouTube, you can do affiliate marketing on YouTube and many more things. So YouTube and all this which I told till now are the product of Google and you can trust it. So now let's move on to the next one. Now the next one is going to be TaskMate. Now in TaskMate, Google gives you some tasks which you have to do. It's like editing videos, photos, collage making and many more things, just like a freelance. So now let's take on to the next one, and it is going to be Google Opinion Report. Google Opinion Report is just similar to Google TaskMate. As in Google Opinion Report, you have to fill surveys and you can earn money. Now you might be thinking as why even Google gives us money if we fill surveys. Now you might be heard about artificial intelligence, that is AI. Now what Google Artificial Intelligence do is, now if you search about any topic on Google, just like if you search about a cricket bat for 5 days on Google, now on the 6th day, Google will show you the ad of the cricket bat itself. And when Google will show you the ad of cricket bat, the chances that you can buy that cricket bat is more. And when you'll buy that cricket bat, Google will make its profit. The company of which you are buying cricket bat, it will make its profit, and you can get things about your interest. But sometimes artificial intelligence cannot track your interest. So at that time, Google gives you surveys. So this is how artificial intelligence works, and you can make money through Google Opinion Report. So now let's move on to the last one, and it is going to be Google Translate. Now you might be feeling as how Google Translate will make money for us, but it is absolutely helpful. When you do freelancing, Now you can check on Fiverr, as there are many people only to translate one language to another. But Google do this for absolutely free for any and every language. So you can try Google Translate and do freelancing. So we'll meet in the next video, and the videos on rank each, how to find best tags, then how to rank each video on the first page, and YouTube SEO related many videos are going to come on this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified when we are online. So we'll meet in the next video, and bye for now.